Enabling two-factor authentication on Jira adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into Jira. Access your Jira account by entering your username and password. Ensure you have administrative privileges, as only admins can enable two-factor authentication for users. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Find Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security section. This is where you will find options related to two-factor authentication and other security features. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Set up your authentication methods. Choose your preferred method for two-factor authentication, such as using an authenticator app or receiving SMS codes. Follow the instructions provided to complete the setup and ensure you save any backup codes offered. After completing these steps, your Jira account will be more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Remember to keep your authentication method accessible for future logins.